Greetings viewers, today I am going to review one last dashcam, at least for now, and that is this little guy, the Aukey DRA5 Full HD dashcam. Let's have a look. Let's start off with a few important specs. The DRA5 comes with a GC2053 CMOS sensor capable of capturing 1080p at 30 fps or 720p at 60 fps. It has wide dynamic range, a viewing field of 170 degrees, emergency and loop recording. However, it does not come with 24-hour parking monitoring, nor is it a decent cook. But you can get a 24-hour monitoring kit separately if you want to. The camera is tiny compared to some of its competition. It looks symmetrical and feels very light in hand. The lens looks as if it can be focused, which makes no sense for a dashcam, but at a closer look it is nothing more than aesthetics. There is a locking clip opening on the top for the windshield mount, which thankfully is the suction cup kind instead of the adhesive. On the right side there is the GPS input and mini USB power sockets. The GPS receiver is not included in the package. On the left is the micro SD card slot. This camera can take SD cards with up to 128 gigabytes storage capacity. On the back is the 1.5-inch LCD display and 4 control buttons. The mount locks in place easily and firmly. The mount's suction cup is large enough to provide a permanent mount if installed on a clean surface. Both X and Y angles are adjustable. Some wiring clips are included in the package, but personally I do not use them in order to better hide the power cable. And now let's have a look at what this dashcam can actually do when it is put to work, both during the day and night. And here is what the audio recording sounds like when playing the radio on low to medium volume.
I'm and knee deep on Country 105. In the next 15, you'll hear from Brett Kissel, John Hardy, and Dean Brody. Greg and Hot Rod here with you. Been talking a little on the show today about your fear as a kid. What were you scared of when you were a kid? Maybe it was just for a couple of years. Maybe it continues to this day with you finally being able to go get a haircut.
But which dashcam should you go for? Because when it comes to choosing a dashcam, the options are there. And the answer to that question would be, it all depends on what it is you're looking for. So the couple of weeks where I've used this dashcam, I really come to like it. It is small, it is honest, bare bone, and it gets the job done. Also, of course, it offers a decent quality video recording. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, remember to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye.